We'll guide you through how to fix any printer not responding. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be an annoying problem because perhaps you're trying to go and print something and you're finding that it's not responding and it's not printing. We're keeping this guide broad so you can go and follow along with any printer. It doesn't matter whether it's a Canon, an Epson, it doesn't matter. So we're guiding you through some different methods you can try. Make sure it's a full guide and don't skip any so you can go and hopefully get this problem solved. So to go and get started, we need to go and head to our settings. So you can press search at the bottom and go and type in settings like so and open them up. Next, you need to go and find Bluetooth and devices. And in here, you need to go down and you want to go and find printers and scanners. And now find the printer you're having the problem with. So in my case, it's this one here. So now what we're going to try doing is we're going to try removing it. So come to the right and go and press remove. And then go and remove it. If there's multiple here, you can go and repeat that. Now what you want to do is we're going to go and reconnect to it. So you want to go and press add device to the right. And now it's going to start searching. Make sure you're connected to the same network that it's on. And if it's a wired one, make sure it's plugged in. And make sure it's in the pairing mode if it needs to be, but this automatically is. And then what we can do is come to the right and go and press add device. Now it says connecting, and we can go and be patient while it goes and connects again. Often just removing it and re-adding it can go and solve the problem of it not responding. Let's be patient. Shortly, it's going to go and start installing anything that it needs if it hasn't already been. It now says installing, as you can see, so it'll almost be done. It now says ready. Now, hopefully the problem will be solved and you can go and print to it. If you still find that it isn't working, next thing you want to do is literally just go onto the printer itself and you want to go and turn it off, wherever it is shut down, and you can just turn it off at the plug or power outlet and just unplug it. Wait for around 10 to 20 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it back on and wait for your computer to go and connect to it again. And then what you can try doing is printing, and hopefully now it will go and respond and it will go and work. Now, if you're still finding that it isn't, then what we're going to do is go and press search at the bottom of our computer and then type in settings. Come to the left and you can find Bluetooth and devices. Go down and you can find printers and scanners. And then in here, you want to go and find the printer, and you want to go and find run the troubleshooter, and you want to go and click there. Now you can go and see that it's detecting problems and it's going to go and troubleshoot, and hopefully this will go and resolve the problem. In this case, it didn't because it's not a problem, but hopefully that will go and work for you and get it solved. If you found this useful and it solved your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.